Hi, I'm Hope Armstrong, and I'm a product designer and teacher at Treehouse. In this course, designers will learn how to work with developers. I'll first talk about the importance of collaborating with developers early on in the design process. Developers are excellent problem solvers and have an in-depth knowledge of technical possibilities and constraints. You'll want to get their expertise and buy-in as early as possible to create a thoughtful solution. Then I'll talk about how to prepare a design for development. Modern design programs enable sharing files directly with developers. Developers can interact with the design to get colors, text styles, assets, spacing, and more. This collection of styles and components may be all you have in terms of an informal design system. If that's the case, then it's up to the designer to create a logical order the developer can follow. If you have a formal design system, set up your design to reflect those conventions. By doing so, designers and developers can have a shared language for the building blocks that come together to create an experience. Stay tuned to learn how to set up a design file to have everything developers need.